So this is a Thatcher, or some of you call it a power rake. The purpose of a Thatcher is to untangle the grass after the snow's been packing it down all winter long. So we're going to show you how to start the machine today. All of ours are equipped with an on and off switch. There's also a throttle, a choke, and a fuel switch, as well as the actual clutch that engages the tines underneath the machine. There's also a transport and a depth gauge here. A common misconception with power rakes is you need to go into the dirt. If you're going too deep and you see dirt coming up, you're going to want to go up a little bit higher. The landscape companies agree it causes more damage to your yard when you are running it through the healthy roots. It's just to pull the grass up. So to start the machine, you want the machine in the on position in the front of the engine. If it's cold and hasn't been started, you'll hit the choke, which is the second lever in the middle here. You'll give it a firm pull and turn the choke off. You can adjust your throttle to the top lever, down or up. Once the machine is started up, you're ready to go.